Party YouTubers, here we go again. We have another special Amazon unboxing to do. You guys can check them out. My affiliate link will be down below. Click on that, see what other goodies they have to offer besides this one. And hopefully you guys had a good day. Everybody is safe. Take advantage of the Prime Big Deal Days going on now. You can get one of these at a low cost. And this is coming from... Oh man, I missed. Okay, hold on. Cut. There we go. Bada boom. Bada bing. BINZET HD 10 1080p. Ooh. This is a good one. You can have the dual screen. I think I should have that downstairs. Ready to go check it out in a second. With macOS. All that good stuff. Take a look at it. Show you really quick before we go downstairs. Oh yeah, this is a nice one. 2 HDMIs. USB. It's plugging in to your laptop, MacBook, any other system you have, and let it go. USB C, HDMI. Okie dokie, coming up. Guys, we got it hooked up right there, all the way to the laptop. Got that right here. What's cool about this thing is, watch this. So you can split it into two, which is really cool. Oh, sorry about that. Let me plug it in. Should register automatic. There we go. There. Got that right there. There. And over there. So check them out. Link down below. Get the good deals on the Prime Day. Big Deal Days. Check them out.